Welcome to our quick showdown, SolidWorks versus Autodesk Inventor. These are two leading 3D CAD platforms for mechanical design. But which one's right for you? Let's break it down. SolidWorks by Dassault Systems is a powerhouse in 3D CAD. It's known for its intuitive interface, making it easy to learn, especially for beginners. With robust tools like parametric modeling, large assembly management, and advanced simulation, it shines in industries like manufacturing and product design. Plus, its DriveWorks integration automates repetitive design tasks, saving time. SolidWorks also boasts a massive user community for support and resources. Autodesk Inventor, launched in 1999, is a professional-grade CAD tool focused on mechanical design. It offers strong parametric modeling, simulation, and documentation, with unique features like T-spleens for organic shapes and iLogic for built-in design automation. Inventor integrates seamlessly with other Autodesk products like AutoCAD, making it a go-to for teams already in the Autodesk ecosystem. So, how do they stack up? SolidWorks is more user-friendly, with a gentler learning curve and better tools for complex assemblies and fluid dynamics. Inventor, on the other hand, edges out with advanced features like electrical harnessing and dynamic simulation, plus tighter Autodesk integration. Cost-wise, SolidWorks has a perpetual license option, while Inventor's subscription model can add up over time. Stability reports favor Inventor with fewer crashes compared to SolidWorks. Which is better? SolidWorks is ideal for beginners, large assemblies, and manufacturing workflows. Inventor suits complex designs and Autodesk-centric teams. Check out our comparison chart below and try their free trials to decide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.